Hey there guys, it's Kim George here from YourChicGeek.com, and I want to welcome you to today's video. Before I dive off into the video, I just want to thank you all so much for rocking with me. I've just crossed the 7K mark and I cannot believe that this is happening. So I'm super grateful for all of you for just listening to me, ramble and things like that here on YouTube. I hope that you have been getting some value out of the information that I've been sharing. And I really do hope that this video is helpful for you today. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much before we dive in. Now, last week I came across a video that I think you all should definitely go and check out. It's from one of the guys that I follow who's been in the space and publishing specifically on KDP for over 10 years. His name is Chris Raydog. He has a fantastic channel that talks about different things that you can do to create better books on Amazon KDP. And he actually shouted me out in the video. Thank you so much for that, Chris. And he shouted out basically that I had done a couple of TikTok videos where I talked about my experiences with marketing low content books on TikTok. And so I figured that this would be a great opportunity to kind of talk to you guys about 7 specific TikTok marketing strategies that you can use to increase your sales for your low content, no content books, basically any kind of books that you're publishing really over on KDP. So these are some of the things that I've used, and so let's dive off into them. So coming in at number 1 is going to be book flip videos. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with what this is, but a book flip video is essentially where you order physical copies of a book that you want to promote, and you simply just take your iPhone, or not iPhone, but you take your smartphone or your phone, your cell phone, and you just do a video of yourself thumbing through and flipping through a book, kind of showing the interior of the pages, and then you end with the cover shot of that specific book. These videos work like gangbusters. I am a testament to this. In fact, one of the videos that I did, that was a book flip video, had gotten up to over 1,000 and something views. I was kind of shocked because I just couldn't believe it. But these videos are very effective. And so what I've seen people do is in a book flip video, they will put like a quote from the book on top of the book flip video. They will put a prompt on top of the book flip video. They'll put like a screenshot even of the book on top of the actual book flip that they're flipping through. And so these are really super easy to create. They really work like gangbusters. You can easily take, again, a journal, some kind of low content book, a logbook, anything, and just show people the interior and then put a prompt or something related to that specific book on top of your book flip video. Now I'm going to have a link below to one that I saw that was done, that I thought it was well done. And this is from an author by the name of Lila Dubois. She's very good. Definitely check out her TikTok to get some ideas on things that you can do, but that link is going to be below. So coming in at number 2, and this is something that I've used that works very well, and it really does drum up engagement, and that's going to be an engagement type post with a call to action that leads to your books. Now, an engagement type post that I like to use is going to be something like a this or that type of post, or would you rather questions. Now, what you can do is just simply take some of these kind of, engagement posts and tie them into the type of book that you are marketing. So let me give you guys an example of what I mean. So say, for example, you have created some kind of summer activity book. So what you can do is you can actually, on your TikTok, is you can, show the book flip video and just ask your audience, hey, what are some of the things that you like to do in the summer? Do you like going outside, or do you like staying in? Do you like listening to music, or do you like this? Do you like, hanging out with your friends, or staying to yourself? And then once you're done kind of asking that first question, you can then switch over to say, oh, so just so you know, we have a fun activity book, a fun summer activity book that is available over on Amazon. Head over here to check it out, and then put the link to the put the link to the book over on Amazon. So you see how that works? It doesn't come off as being like salesy. It's kind of more of like a fun kind of prompt prompt that's really going to drum up some engagement from your audience and not just coming out with just sell, sell, sell. So I love doing posts like that. Again, they work really well. And so that's something you should definitely try. Okay. All right. So coming in at number 3 is going to be the best of collection. Now, again, one of my highest viewed videos, I think it's at about 1,300 views, came from one of these type of posts. And so the best of collection is where you basically just do the best of, summer activity books or the best of journals to write in for XYZ. So the best journals to write in for mothers, the best gratitude journals for kids. And so what you can do is you can definitely throw a couple of your products in there, but you're also really going through and you're putting some of the other products that will help your audience, right? So these posts really work well as well, but they work really great too. And so I just wanted to make sure that I shared this as a marketing strategy for you. All right, so coming in at number 4 is going to be customer testimonials and reviews. There's nothing like having that social proof when you're doing your marketing, because your customers are going to say it all. And so what you can do is you can actually head over to one of the books that you're marketing. If you have customer reviews, you can just go take a screenshot of that from your phone, and then you can actually upload the review over in Canva to a graphic and just kind of say, hey, the reviews are in. Here's what our customers are saying about our summer activity book, or here's what our customers are saying about our XYZ journal. So just putting something like that in there can be really great. And then following up at the back of the customer testimonial with a link to your book. So customer testimonial, and then just say, if you're interested in learning more, you can head over to Amazon to check out our, XYZ journal that is, that people are raving about, or something like that. So that is definitely another strategy that I've used, and it does work really well. All right, so coming in at number 5, and this is going to be a plan, journal, write with me, etc. This is another strategy that I saw that I said, wow, I never would have thought to use something like this. I have not done this yet, but this is something that I'm definitely planning to do. So for example, if you sell planners, what you can do here again with your phone or with your smartphone is you can take your smartphone and you can just simply do a video of yourself planning out your day with your journal, or planning out or writing some notes in your notebook, or putting stickers in your notebook, or putting some things in a scrapbook if you've created something like that you're selling on Amazon, and just show people how to go through and use that specific product that you have created. And here again, after you've done your video showing them how to do it or how to use that specific product and plan in it or journal and write, you can follow up with a call to action and just say, hey, if you're interested in checking out this journal over on, it's available over on Amazon, here's the link, XYZ. So each time that you're doing this, if you notice, I'm always putting something fun and engaging and things like that in the front, but I'm also always following up with a call to action. Okay, so just wanted to point that out. All right, so coming in at number 6 is going to be a new release type of video / promo video. These work really well. I actually have done these. I do these all the time. And so, because I have quite a few journals, and if you're doing low content books, I'm imagining that you probably do too. You can just do like a new release kind of teaser, or not even necessarily a teaser, but a new release kind of promo graphic, or you can do a video teaser or trailer, etc., about a book that you have coming out, or you can do one even for, books that you have, that you've just recently released right onto the Amazon KDP platform that are low content books. These work really, really well. You can just basically make sure that you follow up with that call to action and just making sure that you're telling people where they can go to find out more about that specific product that you are marketing over on TikTok. Now, one thing that I totally forgot to mention, guys, and this is always super important, is with TikTok, is that you definitely want to make sure that you are using the appropriate hashtags on all of the content that you're posting. The hashtags are like terms that help you get found in search. And so you want to make sure that you're adding those, to all of your videos. I would just recommend adding no more than 3 or 4 hashtags that are related. And there is a tool that I'm going to post below that you guys can use to figure out what hashtags you can, kind of add to your TikTok marketing videos to make sure that you're kind of, getting the right people looking at your videos. So just wanted to point that out there. All right. And so coming in at number 7, last but not least, is just do, regular book promo videos with trending music and related hashtags. Now, I just talked about the hashtags, but I just want to reiterate that because much like Instagram, TikTok is kind of like it when it comes to, again, the hashtags. So think of your hashtags as like keywords that you put in on the back end of your Amazon KDP account to help people find you in Amazon. So with your hashtags, this helps people find you and find your content in TikTok. So I just wanted to come and share some of the things that I've been doing. I'm really excited. I haven't tried the Plan Journal Write With Me series, et cetera, yet, but I'm super excited to try that. But everything else I have tested and it does work. So these are all organic strategies. You don't have to spend any money unless you just want to. But I just wanted to come today to share these TikTok marketing strategies with you guys and kind of how I go about doing the selling and marketing at the same time and engagement at the same time with my TikTok account for a specific brand that I market on, because I'm a sensitive seller. I don't really like the hard sales. I kind of like to come from a place of, hey, here's something that's going to be helpful for you and here's how. So that's just kind of my flow with things. But I hope that this video has been helpful to you guys. Again, please be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Share this video out if you think that it's been helpful to you. Please, guys, drop in the comments below to let me know if you're planning to get started with TikTok, if you're going to use some of these strategies, which ones are you most excited to use for your brand. Also, I do want to let you guys know, for those of you who just, want to do the promo videos for TikTok and the promo graphics, but you don't want to design from scratch, I do have some templates available for you over in my PayHip shop. So you can go check those out in case you're interested. But again, guys, thanks so much for rocking with me. You guys are the best. Please share this video, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in another video. All right, stay safe, stay cool, because it's still hot as heck out here in Dallas, but I digress. All good. But y'all take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in another video. Okay, bye.